Hi guys, we're Pontsarn in the crossing in the Vale of Glamorgan with Alfie's videos and Theo's Trains Wales.
Hi.
There we go. Now, it's for the 2 35 Transport for Wales service from Mysteg to Cardiff Central. We've got a 2-car. 17271. 17271 to Cardiff Central, and up they go.
Nice pass.
Thanks guys, next video.
Oh, that's good, that is.
Hi guys, we're Pontsarn in the crossing in the Vale of Glamorgan with Alfie's videos, Theo's Trains Wales and Bridgend Trainspotting. There we go. Now, wait a minute.
No, it's 13:27 on Wednesday, the 13th of May 2019.
Hang on a minute.
2020, sorry, this is for Alfie.
It's for a Network Rail service from Swansea to Derby RCT Network Rail.
It's for a Network Rail.
Yes, the new measurement train height.
Yes, it is.
Can't see it.
Oh, double pass, double pass.
Yeah, we got a double stay. Here it comes. Go on. Go!
What is it? 151 to Swansea, 43014 and 43062 to Derby RCT, and up they go. Thanks guys, next video. Hi guys, you're Pontsarn in the crossing in the Vale of Glamorgan with Alfie's videos, Theo's Trains Wales and Bridgend Trainspotting. There we go, nice for the 5 Zulu 74 Great Western Railway service from Swansea Marathon IP Depot to Gifford. I can't see the camera, right?
This is for the 5074 Great Western Railway.
And 308! And 308 to Stoke Gifford, and up they go.
Yeah, and that was for your 5074 Great Western Railway service from Swansea Marathon IP Depot to Stoke Gifford.
Thanks guys, next video. Hi guys, here are Pontsarn in the crossing in the Vale of Glamorgan with Alfie's videos, Theo's Trains Wales and Bridgend Trainspotting. There we go guys, it's for the 1 Bravo 13 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea.
On Wednesday, 30th of May 2019, this is for the, what is it called?
1 Bravo 13 Great Western Railway service from London Paddington to Swansea. We've got Ed 318. 318 to Swansea, and up they go.
Up they go.
Lot of 803 is coming.
Thanks guys, see you next video. Hi guys, we're Pontsarn in the crossing in the Vale of Glamorgan with Alfie's videos, Theo's Trains Wales and Bridgend Trainspotting. There we go. Now I don't know exactly. Oh no, this is from Cumbargo Open Cast Collie to Markham TC. Got 66069. To Markham TC, and up they go.
What was that?
Thanks guys, next video. Hi guys, you're Pontsarn in another crossing in the Vale of Glamorgan with Theo's Trains Wales and Alfie's videos. There we go. Now this is for the 2 Lima 36 Transport for Wales service from Mysteg to Cardiff Central. Got 172.03. 172.03 to Cardiff Central, and up they go. Don't know why I like doing this. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.